Alright guys, I had the body done. It's all clean and masked. You can see it. Now, I got my airbrush here. This is an old Crescendo 175. I have the largest needle in there to spray heavy paints. And why I'm using that is because first I'm going to clear the inside. And I'm going to put some this copper glitter. This yellow glitter. And this blue. And some of this dark, it's like a pewter glitter. And I'm going to mix a little bit of that together. And I'm going to do the inside of the body with that. And we're going to do that next. Alright guys, I mixed all these color sparkles in it, the glitter. This is what it looks like. It's really nasty looking because it's like milky. And then it dries clear. It's kind of thick and creamy. But that's how this paint is. So we're going to spray it on. Alright, here goes nothing. This is going to be hard. Oh, this ain't spraying too hot. There it goes. Faded in the side. Alright, I finished putting on the sparkles. It looks really good. It probably would look nice with a dark color, but I'm going to put on that lime green, so I don't know if you'll even see it. I may shoot on another little bit of these sparkles. That's it, guys. I had to clean the airbrush up. Holy crow, I'm covered with sparkles all the hell over. I gotta hair dry this and blow dry it now. I'll get back to you. I got the clear coat on. This time I used this Createx. It's a transparent base. It's supposed to make the paint stick better. So I used it with the sparkles. I don't know if you guys could even see that. But trust me when I tell you, it looks nice as hell. Probably if I did this in a black or a dark color, it would look really sweet. But I have this green color I'm going to use here. This is the Pro line. It's a pearl lime green. You may not see a lot of that, probably only in the sun when you look at it close. We'll see how it comes out. Maybe if I make this green darker somehow, I'm not sure. I'm probably just going to hit it. We'll see how it comes out. Alright guys, I got it set up with the lime green, pearl lime. I put my number 2 needle in here, so let's see how it works. Alright. Oop, I gotta turn on my fan here. Body's big. Alright, got the first coat on. I'm going to put another coat and I'll show you when it's finished. Alright, I finished putting on the coats of the lime green. I have white I'm probably going to back it up with. I don't know how that's going to work because this is like transparent. You could see kind of through it. Maybe a mistake. Oh well, gotta try it. Alright guys, I just mixed some of this Parma Fast Color white in with the leftover green. So it's like a white green. I'm going to hit that. And also, this is the first time I ever used that Tretex paint in the Parma. Is one I always use. And this Proline one's the first time I ever used that also. So I'm going to coat this. See, it looks brighter. So I'm just going to do this in fast motion now and turn the good fan on. Alright guys, I'm a mess. I'm covered with a billion sparkles. Everything's covered with sparkles. I'm not going to put another coat on it. I just put one. I mixed the white with the green that was left. That's why it looks like a limey color. So I'm going to let that dry and I'll take the cover off and we'll see how it looks. But I got to clean this mess up. Look at all this. All from spraying. Look at the sparkles. That's what was in my paint. Check that out. Right there. That was in my paint. Oh well, time to clean up. I got the mask off the windows. Now we gotta peel off the protective cover here. So let's do that. Hopefully I could get it off. See what she came out like. I got this light here shining on it. Maybe you could see it better. It's hard to see. But it looks real nice. I think out in the sun the sparkles will glisten more. That's usually what it does when you're in the fluorescent lighting. It don't really look that good. But when you take them outside they really pop. But anyhow, it goes more in the front and on the sides, and then it fades away and gets less in the rear. Down the, oops. Looks good. Alright guys, what I did for the grill here, because it's solid chrome, I don't know if you guys could see it, I got a piece of sandpaper and I laid it flat and I sanded the whole front of the grill because it's black plastic underneath, so now it's all black around the outside edge and the bars going across. I thought it looked better like that on the lighter body. So that's what I did with that. Now on to the next steps, putting all the stickers and stuff on and this stuff. Well, there she is, ladies and gentlemen. She's finished. The KYOSHO Outlaw Rampage Pro. That's what she looks like. I think it came out pretty cool looking. It's nice. Check that out. Got a front view. Looks real nice. Easy kit to put together. I just went crazy on this paint job with all the sparkles in it. That was a mess. I think it looks good. It looks like a lime yellow green and there's a whole bunch of sparkles in it, glitter. You can't see that on the camera, I don't think. But it'll look nice outside. The cage is funny. You gotta put 2 clips here. 2 clips here to hold it on. And then also, I don't know if you guys could see. Hold on a second. Let me lift it up. See these pieces in the back here? Maybe on this side. Doing this with one hand, it's kind of hard. These pieces that hold the back on, there's 2 little clips. They clip onto this roll cage. The pipe, you snap them on the top and bottom on each side. And that holds it on. It's a crazy funky design. There it is. I still have to get my ESC. And then I'll be able to run it, but it has some nice suspension action. Look at how far it drops down. It's pretty neat. I think the color came out awesome. I put this on the back of the window. I thought it looked cool instead of just leaving the window. But you could take these tires out and put one on the back here and screw it in if you only want to put one. I don't know, maybe if it's too heavy in the rear. You'll know when I try that out how it works with 2 in the back. But I think it looks cool with the 2 tires in the back like that. That's what probably makes the suspension go real quick and nice looking when you're driving it. Anyhow, guys, there she is. I hope you like it. She looks like a beauty to me. Let me know in the comments if you like the color. And thanks for watching this build. And if the weather gets nice out, I'll take her out for a spin and get some video action of her. If you're new to the channel watching, please subscribe. Leave me a thumbs up, guys. It helps my channel out. And also hit that bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. And Shen RC, we'll see you next time. This is a fun kit. Highly recommend it. It's a cool build. Beauty. See you later, guys.